Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu, and if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. So before starting this video, I want to thank each one of you. I'm so grateful to each one of you for subscribing to my channel. We are now a family of 1000 subscribers and I'm so happy about it. And there's going to be a giveaway and I'm just waiting for the stuff to arrive that I've ordered for the giveaway. So stay tuned for that. And in my today's video, I'm going to do my makeup using all new products. So it's going to be like a first impressions kind of a thing, and I have used these products on my hands, like I've swatched them on my hands, but I haven't used any of these on my face. So I'm gonna try all these products along with you guys, except for my base products because I haven't got any face products. So my foundation concealer routine is going to be the same, except for that, like primer, powders, blush, contour, eyes are all going to be new. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So first I'm gonna prep my face using this Belif Aqua Bomb. I have used this Belif Aqua Bomb like 2-3 times, and it is like a gel based, and it has like a cooling effect. It really makes your skin looks hydrated, and see, it really gives that dewy finish to your skin. So I really like this thing about the product, but other than that I cannot talk much because I've only used like this product for 2 or 3 times. So now coming to all the new products, so I'm gonna use the Farsali liquid glass, and this is the liquid glass, and I'm gonna take 2-3 drops. Oh, it's a lot. So I'm gonna just, it's like a serum and it gives you that dewy finish, and I'm gonna create like a dewy look today. It is giving me that shine, but I feel it's little bit heavy on my skin. It's little sticky, I don't know. Yeah, but I think it has given that dewy look anyway. So now moving on to primer, I have this primer from Becca, and it's their backlight priming filter. I'm gonna take this much and I'm gonna apply it where I have pores around my nose, on my nose and on my forehead and on my chin. And the rest of the product I'm gonna apply it all over. My skin is not doing too well these days. Maybe it's the weather, or maybe I'm trying a lot of new products lately. I don't know what. I don't have active acne right now, but I do have some marks and pigmentation over here. Anyway, now moving on to foundation and concealer, which are the regular that I use. This one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. Yeah, in the shade medium, 130 medium, and I use it all over like my acne and around my dark circles. It's like a proper match to my skin tone, so I cover my acne and dark circles with this, and then I move on to my foundation. I don't like blending alag se. I apply my foundation and then I blend it all together. So I'm gonna take my Sephora foundation, my regular, and I'm gonna take a little bit. I don't like using foundation much. I just apply like a little bit of foundation. Yeah, that's enough. And so I'm gonna take my regular foundation brush. It's from Pack 005, and I'm gonna blend it all in. This is my mirror, so cute. So I'm done with my foundation, and I'm just gonna use my Sephora concealer in the shade 26 Peach around my eyes and around my mouth where I have a little bit of darkness. So it cancels out my darkness, and I've already used the concealer from Maybelline. My skin is definitely not doing well because of the weather. Like it's not very very cold, but yeah, it's cold for me. And my skin has turned very dry and flaky. I have been taking care of my skin. I have been applying moisturizer, a lot of moisturizer, serums and everything. I'm taking proper care of my skin, but I think my skin is not doing well. Maybe it's the weather or maybe the products that I'm using, new products which I have got recently. Anyway, so I'm done with the concealer and foundation. Now I'll just use a brighter concealer to just brighten my under eyes a little and the bridge of my nose. Like the places that I want to highlight, I'm gonna brighten up that by using the PAC Spotlight Ready Liquid Concealer in the shade 02 Skin. So I'm just gonna brighten the areas that I wanna highlight. Blending is the key to a flawless makeup. Just give more time to blending, whether it may be eyes or your base. Blend it properly. So I'm done with my base and now I'll move on to powder, which is new, and I have this powder from K Beauty. It's their loose powder in the shade Banana HD Loose Setting Powder. This is how it looks like, and I'm gonna take a little bit on my powder brush and just a little bit. I'm gonna apply it to set my concealer. So I'm just gonna leave my face with the powder on for 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna let it bake and then dust it off. And now moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna use this palette from Nika K Makeup. It's their birthday cake and it has such like poppy colors, and I haven't used this on my eyes yet, so I don't know what should I do. I'm gonna probably do like a pink eyes and pink and purple. So first I'm gonna take this kind of a brush. It's from PAC 203 and I'm gonna do my crease. So I'm gonna take this pink, first pink. I'm going to lightly take it all over my eye. It's so pigmented. I have like dipped my brush only once, and can you see the color payoff? I'm gonna take a little bit more and do like the inner portion of my eye. So I'm done with the base of my eyes. Then I'm gonna use this purple glitter around like the mid portion and my inner corner, and for that I'm going to use like a flat brush. Oh, it's so pretty. I think it will be better if you use your finger. The glitter is also so pigmented. I'm just gonna take a little bit more on my finger and then just gonna blend it. So now I'm taking this brush जिससे मैंने अपना base किया. I'm not taking any more of the eyeshadow. Glitter नहीं, pink नहीं, कुछ नहीं. I'm just taking this used brush and I'm just gonna go and blend it. You need your eyeshadow like the glitter and the base blended. So I'm just gonna blend and I'm not taking any more eyeshadow. I'm just blending it. Now I'm going to take this kajal from K Beauty in the shade Onyx and I'm gonna just do my upper lash line with this. So this is how it looks like, and it's soft and buttery. Let's see how well it does on my eyes, and I'm just gonna do my upper lash line. Can you see the difference that doing your upper lash line makes? So done with my upper lash line, and the application was soft, buttery. It did not poke my eyes, and it's dark too. It Can you see the difference? So yeah, I just like doing my upper lash line because it makes me look that I am wide awake. It makes my eyes look little big, so I like doing my upper lash line. And now I'm just gonna do the lower lash line, and I'm gonna take like a small blending brush. I'm gonna take that same pink for my lower lash line, just a little bit. Tap off the excess, and now my eyes, like, can you see, like this is looking like all put together, and look at this one. So doing your lower lash line is important. Moving on to contour, blush and highlight, I'm using this palette from Flower Beauty. It's their Lift and Sculpt palette in the shade light to medium. I'm using this like brush for my contour. Can you see the difference? I really like this contour. It's pigmented, it's blendable, and it's a perfect shade for me, like for my skin tone. It also comes in a medium to dark palette where you get like all dark shades, and this one is fair to medium. So I picked this palette. Can you see? My face is all looking chiseled. I'm just gonna do my jawline and double chin to hide my double chin. And I'm gonna move on to my nose. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. So I'm taking a small brush and same contour. Look how my nose is looking sharp, and my jawline, like my face is looking now little sharp, and I really like this product. Nice. Now moving on to blush from this same palette. I'm gonna take my blush brush and take a little bit, dab off the excess, and it's pigmented. The blush is very pigmented, so you just need a little bit of the product and a lot of blending. I just dipped it once, and can you see the color payoff? So be careful while using it. You don't want to look like a monkey. Now I'm gonna move on to my highlight from the same palette, this one. I'm gonna take a little bit. So pretty. Can you see? I hope the camera is catching it. Ah, pretty, very pretty. Can you see the highlight? It's so pretty. Damn. So I'm gonna take like my pinky finger to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm gonna take the same highlight to highlight my brow bones. I really like this palette. I just want to say one thing, it's so pigmented and so beautiful. Can you see the blush, the contour and the highlight? This is so far the best product that I have used, like out of all the new things. I am really liking it. So pretty, so pretty. I am just in love with my highlight. And now moving on to my lashes, I'm gonna use this lash roller lash mascara from Benefit, and it's the super curling and lifting mascara. Let's see. So it's the mini version and so pretty. I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my eyelash curler. Now I'm gonna use this mascara. Damn, can you see my eyes? I hope the camera is catching it. So pretty. I am just loving all the products that I have bought. It's just so beautiful. Look at my lashes. ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैंने extensions या वो falsies लगाई है. They're so pretty. So far I have loved every product that I have got. Like I am loving everything that I've bought, and this though has my heart. Like the highlight, can you see the highlight? And the blush and the contour, it's so pretty. Now moving on to the lipstick, I'm using this Babe Alert from Smashbox, and I'm not sure if it's going to look good with my eyes, but let's see. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lipstick and then just blend it with my finger because I don't want my lips to look poppy as my eyes are already very poppy. Like, look at the look. It's so pretty. So this is the finished look, and I am surprised by all these products. Trust me, I wasn't expecting quite a lot from these. I wasn't expecting from this palette, and look at my eyes. And also not from the Benefit lash roller, because I feel the best mascara of Benefit is Bad Girl Bang, but look at this mascara. I won't say it's the best, but look at the look. It's so pretty, and I have to give extra points to this palette because the highlight, can you see how many times I've spoke about the highlight in the same video, and my blush. So the hero of this look is going to be this palette because yeah, I just cannot get over this highlight. It's so pretty. So this is the finished look and I really like it. So this was it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.